Alright guys, and then we are in front of the same Zen hotel, and then I just realized I stayed there like a year ago, and then it was pretty nice, but it's like more busy and more like people are just having a party stuff. But we're gonna stay one night anyway, so parked pretty far from our hostel because the parking spot is not really big. We can park like 10 cars in there, I guess. We're gonna go to check in and then we're gonna go to see room condition. Yay! Alright, so guys, this place is really cooler than YWCA because we had a bunch of outlet here, and then we had a mini fan. We had but the thing is, it's really expensive. We paid like $100 for a night, probably because it's like a peak time. But except for that, then everything is super cool, and then like the staffs are really kind. The thing is that it has like happy hour 4 to 6, and they sell like beer, like 1 pint of beer.
15 minutes later.
Yeah, and then like the jug of beer was like $13.50 or something. So now we are just chilling in the hotel, and then I'm gonna prepare the job interview. This is so nervous. So this is my bed. I know it's pretty messy. So after that, we're gonna go just have a look. The Banff downtown. It's pretty nice and pretty city. Such a pretty city. See you after taking a rest. So I had an interview and then I messed up, and we had a McDonald's, and then we're gonna go back to the hostel, and then we're gonna chill, and pretty messed up.
It's probably not that bad. I'm too young and I want job.
And then I said it again, I repeated like what I just said, and I was like, I fucked up. And then I say, I don't know. Anyway, guys, so we are heading back to the hostel. Yeah, we're gonna do nothing and we're gonna just chill. It's pretty tired, and then
Wake up early.
yeah, we have to wake up tomorrow really early. So probably see you guys tomorrow morning.
Probably.
Yeah. Do you wanna say bye?
No.
I just wanna fuck bad bitches. All them nights I never had bitches. Now I'm all up in that ass.
Then I'm gonna say, do you wanna say bye? Bye.
Bye.
Morning. Morning. So we're gonna go grab a breakfast right now, and then we're gonna go to Jasper. Our train is leaving 12:30 today. It's a nice weather. And I'm not gonna wear the hat today because we are not gonna be able to take a shower for 3 days. So I took a shower so much, as clean as I can.
We're gonna go eat breakfast. And we're gonna go ride on a train
Yeah,
for 3 days.
for 3 days.
3-day train. Even one day was really hard.
I enjoyed it.
The thing is, we can't even take a shower.
Just stick your head in the toilet and turn on.
What the hell? So if you guys come to the same Sun hostel, you can grab a breakfast from 7 to maybe 9-ish, I guess. And then as far as I can remember, they have like bread, just like a couple, some fruits, and what's that, like pancake you can cook. So it's pretty good. But we are leaving Banff.
Yeah. Let's never come back.
Guys, let's go to Jasper!
It's too late. No.
What's
How
up?
can you not film? Oh, you're gonna... Hey, welcome to Jasper. We're doing this again. Okay, restart.
Okay, really don't want. Okay, what's going on, everybody? We're in the Jasper right now, and then We are gonna go
Again.
we're gonna go return the car, and then we're gonna do the grocery store. We're gonna do the grocery.
Then we're gonna go 40 minutes, so we're gonna go in 2 car accidents. How we didn't actually get in a car accident. I'm a bad co-driver.
Why are we
Okay,
talking?
let's
Why are you
go.
talking so fast? Why are you talking so
I was
fast?
just covering all the things you said before you clicked record.
Yeah, I wasn't filming, and then now I realized we basically have to buy 3 days foods for our 3 days trip in train.
20 minutes.
Oh wait. Yeah, so now we are in a grocery store. I don't know what to get. Maybe I'm gonna get like a couple bread and, you know, like cans, tuna cans. Oh. Okay, so let me just see, and I'm gonna tell you guys in a 2 seconds. So guys, so we did the grocery shopping, and then I got a bread, and I got like, it's pre-cooked, right?
Is it turkey sausage or?
I don't know. Salad, and I got the like big sandwich like this, and I got a just like
Another
regular
sandwich again.
for my lunch, and like I got a couple cans, tuna, and oh yeah, it has can opener here. And then I got a banana, and I got a Diet Coke, and this is what I am gonna eat for 3 days. He's having a lunch here, you know. He's having a sandwich.
I'm
Yeah,
eating
so-
all the time when you're filming.
I think so, yeah.
You like not eating.
Yeah, you're always talking, and so whenever we hop on the train, we'll see you guys.